Hi friends, very good morning to all. So today I am going to discussing about derivation of general plane wave equation in a free space. This topic for BSc 4th students. So already I discussed in colleges, that is introduction of electromagnetic waves. So what is curl and divergence and gradient, so these all, and physical interpretation, so properties and Maxwell equation and its derivation. These all things are already done in the classroom. So I will start with help of Maxwell equation, going to explain about the electromagnetic wave by help of Maxwell equation in free space. So after this explanation, I will tell what we done in this uh, experiment or in this theories. First, I will start with help of Maxwell equation. That is, we know about del dot E is equal to rho divided by epsilon naught. What is rho? What is epsilon naught? You already know very well. That is charge density. And what is epsilon naught? So that is permeability of free space. So that is del dot B is equal to 0, and after that del cross E is equal to minus dou B divided by dou T, and del cross B is equal to mu naught into J plus mu naught into epsilon naught dou E divided by dou T. So these four Maxwell equation you already derived. So in, let us, I will start in this uh, equation how it will be changes. So it is generally this equation happens when this equation, or when we considering the free space or vacuum. In that condition, rho and sigma and J, that is J is the current density and rho is the charge density and sigma is the conductivity, is going to be 0. So in free phase you already know that is nothing will be there. So in that condition this equation is changes, that is del dot E is equal to 0. That's why rho is 0, that's why automatically right hand is 0. So del dot B is equal to 0, that is already 0, that's why it will be remain same. Then del cross E is equal to 0, that is also minus B, that's why it is same, minus dou B divided by dou T. Automatically del cross B is equal to, here J will be there, then automatically this will be 0, multiplying mu naught, that is also 0, that's why plus, that why mu naught epsilon naught dou E divided by dou T. This is equation 4. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So now I am going to taking the equation 3, I am making a curl. So curl, what is curl, already we done in this. So I am making this equation 3, making the curl, that is what will happen that, so just you are taking del, that is del cross, that is cross means curl. So del cross bracket del cross B or del cross E, here equation. So del cross E already is there, you are making the curl, that is del, you just adding, multiplying del is equal to, as it is equation right, it is minus dou B divided by dou T, just using the del, that is curl. So there is one property of this del cross A, that is del or curl A is equal to del bracket del dot A is equal minus del square A. This is the one of the property. So I, instead of this one, I using this equation or this right hand side. So del has it is bracket del dot, here A is, you can use E, minus del square A, you are using E, is equal to, as it is uh, your dou divided by dou t kept it outside from the bracket, so that's why del cross b. So there is one is cross and dot. Dot we can call it as a divergence, and cross we can call it as a curve, and if it is not dot and cross, that is a gradient. This is also done in previous classes. So I put the del dot e value, that is del dot e value 0, that's why. So automatically this value is going to be 0. So remaining minus dou square or del square e is equal to minus dou divided by dou t. Here del cross b value, del cross b value I put mu naught epsilon naught dou e divided by dou t. So automatically minus e minus minus get cancelled, that's why dou square or del square e is equal to mu naught epsilon naught dou square e divided by dou t square. This is the equation number 5. This is for electric field. In electromagnetic, both electric and magnetic field will be there. That's why similarly for magnetic field, del square, just you using e instead of e, you are b. That is del square b is equal to mu naught epsilon naught dou square b divided by dou t. This is the equation 6. So in general plane wave equation, that is del square psi is equal to 1 divided by v square dou square psi divided by dou t square. This is the general wave equation. So comparing this equation with equation 5, this is equation 7, this is the equation 5. So here see that del square as it is, there is a function psi is e or magnetic field b, whatever. So is equal to mu naught epsilon naught, there is a 1 divided by v square dou square e divided by dou t square. Here dou square psi divided by dou t square. I am only taking these two values, that is 1 divided by v square is equal to mu naught epsilon naught. That's why v square will get numerator, that's why it is 1 divided by mu naught epsilon naught. V is equal to, we get square root 1 divided by mu naught epsilon naught. So I am multiplying numerator denominator by 4 pi, that is 4 pi divided by mu naught is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi mu naught value already we know, that is 10 raised to 7 into 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. You also know that 9 into 10 raised to 9. When we get multiply and square, we get the value v is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What is the value of this one? This is the value is velocity of light. So that's why velocity of electromagnetic wave is equal to velocity of light in a free space. Both are in same. So after this whole explanation, what we concluded that according to Maxwell, light is a form of electromagnetic waves. Light is a form of electromagnetic waves according to Maxwell. So thank you so much.